So in Google Photos, what you can do is you can go ahead and upload out videos as well. For example, I have some videos right here as well, as you can see. But if you want to just see the videos that you have in Google Photos, then all you need to do is go around onto the video section and then you'll just see the videos right here. So all it's doing is searching for videos right here. So you can see the videos right here and videos right here. So if I would actually go around over here, I can go to import photos and upload out a video as I like as well. Let's say, for example, I can simply go ahead and upload out this video right here. And as it is uploaded right here, you can see that it says backing up and it uploads out a video right there. So under the video, you can see that I got this new video right here. And that is how you can utilize the video section and isolate just the video portion as you like to access it inside of Google Photos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.